The Philippines was taken by surprise by the sudden deployment of advanced United States military assets as part of the large-scale joint exercise Balikatan 25. The presence of modern military capabilities drew significant public and defense analyst attention due to the scale and sophistication of the weapon systems displayed. The exercise took place on April 27, 2025, at Naval Station Leo Vigildo, Antioquia, Philippines. It involved U.S. Marines from the 3rd Marine Littoral Regiment, 3rd Marine Division, alongside service members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, operating in a fully integrated environment. During the event, troops showcased a range of air and missile defense weapon systems within an integrated air and missile defense (EURUI-MD) training scenario. The exercise focused on improving the ability to detect, track, and respond rapidly to aerial and missile threats through coordinated operations. The participation of the 3rd Marine Littoral Regiment became a major highlight, as the unit represents a new generation of U.S. Marine Corps forces designed specifically for littoral and archipelagic operations. Their operational concept emphasizes high mobility, advanced sensing capabilities, and precision strike power. Throughout the training, U.S. and Philippine personnel demonstrated the integration of multiple platforms, including radar systems, tactical communications, and air defense weapons. This collaboration highlighted the growing level of interoperability between the two allied forces. The integrated air and missile defense training also reflects adaptation to increasingly complex regional security challenges. Modern threats, including unmanned aerial systems and medium-range missiles, require advanced technology and seamless coordination across units. Balikatan is a long-standing annual exercise between the United States and the Philippines. The name Balikatan, meaning shoulder to shoulder, symbolizes the enduring spirit of cooperation and solidarity between the two nations in maintaining shared security. Through Balikatan 25, both countries aim to strengthen their ironclad alliance, enhance the capability of combined forces, and ensure readiness for a wide range of contingencies, from humanitarian assistance to full-scale defense operations. For the armed forces of the Philippines, the exercise provides a valuable opportunity to learn advanced tactics, techniques, and procedures from the U.S. military. This exchange of knowledge is expected to contribute to the long-term development of the Philippines' national defense capabilities. For the United States, Balikatan serves as a platform to reaffirm its long-term commitment to security in the Indo-Pacific region. The deployment of advanced assets demonstrates U.S. readiness to operate alongside regional allies in preserving stability. Although described as a training exercise, the scale and realism of Balikatan 25 send a strong strategic message. The demonstration of combined strength and preparedness acts as a deterrent against potential threats that could disrupt regional peace. Overall, Exercise Balikatan 25 underscores the importance of defense cooperation between the Philippines and the United States. The exercise not only enhances military readiness, but also reinforces a shared commitment to regional security, stability, and peace. Terry suddenly deploys advanced assets.